Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. Today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Lincoln Aviator we have here on the lot. It's equipped with some great features. The first thing we take a look at here are going to be our 22-inch wheels. With the 22-inch wheels, we've also got the all-wheel drive system, and then we've got the huge panoramic sunroof that you can see up top. All right, folks, now we're going to jump to the interior, take a look at some of the features on the inside. All right, folks, now that we're on the inside, you can see they have this beautiful leather seat. You're also going to have heated and cooled options here with your heated steering wheel. We've got the 14 speaker system with Sync 3 equipped here. And then in the back, we have the full rear console. Lots of great options here in the Lincoln Aviator. Now we're going to take it around the block. All right, folks, we are inside the Lincoln Aviator. This thing is equipped with a ton of cool options. The first thing I'll talk about is the heads-up display. So it projects everything right up here on the windshield. We're going to be able to see speed, the miles till empty, as well as the time and the temperature outside. On the exterior, we also have heated mirrors that are equipped with Bliss. That's the blind spot monitoring offered by Lincoln. So lots of great safety features and displays that we can take a look at here. The vehicle handles very well. It's equipped with a 3-liter engine. It's got a ton of get up and go. It's also going to be very fuel efficient for what it is. So you are going to get a combined 20 miles a gallon, and a full-size SUV can't beat that. Being in reverse, we've got our backup camera as well as our 360 view, so we're going to be able to see all the way around the car. Very nice for backing up, especially in tight spots. All right, folks, as always, we appreciate you watching our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to the station, and check out our used car inventory at heritagefd.com. Thanks, and have a great day.